we'll show you how to style your tooltip design, which is going to be really important, and how cool it looks. So here in Titan Web, I've got my new project, and I'm going to call it Style User Tips, and then we will go ahead and create. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a few examples here for you. Let's just we take a text field. All right, and the simplest way to do it is click on the gear icon, you go over to user tip, and I'm just going to say this is my demo user tip, enjoy. That's it, that's all I'm going to call it. And if I click save, click preview, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the text, and as you can see, there is my tooltip. This is my demo user tip, enjoy. I'd like to style this, sometimes make it bigger so it's viewable to my end users. How do I do it? Well, to do it, you need to click on project, you need to click on style, you need to click on configure. And then in the search menu here, you want to type user. And then as you expand the project level elements, you will see user tip. So let's play around with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you like a really funky character font. So the Bush script will say bold, and then we'll give it about 18 font size. And then the color, I'm going to give it to be, let's say what we can choose here. Let's go with red. And then the background, I'm going to fill it to be completely white. So we'll do FFF. And then in terms of the border, that will also be red. So I'm just going to choose my red there. And I'll give it a bit of a radius. So let's say I'll give it about 10. 10 is good to me. And that's it. And I can now choose how I want my border to look like. So I'll have a few dots there as well. But once this is done and you're happy with all of this, just go ahead and save your project. Click preview. Now if you hover over it, this is what it looks like. This is my demo user tip, enjoy. So it's pretty cool. Very Christmassy, that one. So yeah, if you hover over it, this is what it looks like. This is what it looked like before I modified it. This is what it looks like now after I modified it. So it's really up to you how you do it. But the basic premise is that once you go back and you drag your element over, you can pop it underneath however you like, then go over to interactivity. If it's not in interactivity, it will be in the content. That's where it is. And then you can say, this is my second user tip. And then once you've added it, click save, click preview, and then this one's that, and then this one's that. Pretty straightforward. And yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you design tooltips for your input fields. So any customer who's confused what I'm supposed to put in here, they can read the user tip and follow through to your flow.